so say you find or get this question in the exam. Find the gradient of a line with the equation 2x plus 3y equals 7. What are you going to do then? Oh my goodness. Easy peasy. Let me show you. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to write the standard form of a linear graph or linear equation. I like to write that down. Y equals mx plus c. So now I know we need to get our equation, this equation, looking like this one, so that we can find the gradient. Okay, but now when we look at that equation, we see it is not in that format yet. We see there's two x's on the left hand side and there's like a 3y. So what should we do? Okay, first, what I would suggest is that you move all the constants and the x's to where they should be. They should be on the right hand side. Okay, so we have our 3y. Let me write it like this. Y equals. Okay, so we have our 3y. We write our equal sign. The 2x shouldn't be on the left hand side, it should be on the right hand side. And if I move it to the right hand side, the sign will need to change. It will become negative. The 7 is already on the right hand side and it stays positive. Okay, on our way to our standard form of a linear graph. But now we see this 3. How are we going to get rid of that little 3? We are going to divide by 3. And if I divide on the left hand side, I need to divide on the right hand side as well. So I'm dividing it with 3. This will give me, those 3's will cancel out, will give me y equals negative 2 x over 3 is its simplest form, plus you can write it 7 over 3, or it is 2 1 over 3. Are we finished with our question yet? No, because they are asking find the gradient. Okay, the gradient is m, is the coefficient of x. Let's go and look here in our equation. We see the coefficient is negative 2 over 3. So then we go and write it down. We found it. The gradient m is equal to negative 2 over 3. Yay! Spider. Very cool. Okay, enjoy your day. So please like, comment, what are you struggling with? What video do you want to see next, or what question or equation do you want to see next? And then I also put like a little freebie in the chat. It's kind of like a planner if you want to get a little bit more organized for your exams. And then there is also different types of freebies if you want to check them out. Link would be in the comments. Have a nice day.